My dear students, how are you? I think you are fine. I am also fine. Now I am going to take a online class for class 10 English first paper. Unit 2, lesson 2. Our topic is reading really helps. At first, I would like to read the pages you sincerely and mindfully follow. Michael Phelps, Usain Bolt are great, but who's better? With the certain closing on the 2012 London Olympics, it is impossible not to look back and reflect on the greatest performance by Olympic athletes. The Olympics have many memorable moments and athletes I remember by name alone. The list is quite big. Michael Phelps and Usain Bolt are the latest addition to the list of the best. They make London Olympics stand apart. If there is any question like this, what is the extent of performance of London 2012? Perhaps the answer is the London Games gave us Michael Phelps versus Usain Bolt. The first one is an already decorated Olympian who puts the finishing touches on his great athlete career, and another comes up with a new definition of first two of the most popular Olympic sports, sprinting and swimming, saw their two biggest stars and captivated audience. Dawood also dominated the 2008 Beijing Games, but Phelps and Bolt commented their luggage in London. Phelps, the American swimmer, past gymnast Larissa Latina for the most Olympic medals ever. Bolt was the third man to repeat as a 100-meter gold medalist and the first as a 200-meter gold medalist, and he broke his own Olympic record by running the 100 in 9.60 seconds. Once Phelps and Bolt were back in their pool and chair, the story lines changed. I have finished the reading. Now we are going to learn some vocabs. I have written 5 vocabs. 13 Bengali meaning is for the synonym skill. Last one, reflect, bebedeka, think, another word, consider. Performance, krititto, synonym, feat. Memorable, স্মরণীয়, synonym, unforgettable. Definition, সংজ্ঞা, explanation. Okay, thank you very much. You write down this vocabs on your khata, please. Note down this vocabs on your khata. Okay, I think you have finished your writing. Now I am cleaning the board. Okay. Now we are going to learn and choose the best answer. In 2008, the Olympic Games were held in Answer. Alternative question: London, Greece, Beijing, Rome. Our question: in 2008, the Olympic Games were held in where? Question for alternative question here: London, Greece, Beijing, Rome. You have to select which is the correct answer. You select, you have to think which word is the correct answer. Answer is Beijing. Beijing is the correct answer. Now another question. Here our question: Michael Phelps hails from. Alternative answer: Russia, Australia, England, America. Now you have to think which is the correct answer. You get first. Michael Phelps hails from Russia, Australia, England, America. Which is the correct answer? You have to select, you have to think. America is the correct answer. You note down on your khata. America is the correct answer. You note down on your khata, please. Number 3. Next question: Usain Bolt is a. Alternative answer: swimmer, sprinter, gymnast, cricketer. Which is the correct answer? You have to think at first. You think which is the correct answer? A sprinter. A sprinter is the correct answer. You note down on your khata. You note down on your khata. Next question. Question is, in London Olympics, Bolt ran 100 meters in dash seconds. Alternative question: 9.63, 18.6, 22.6, 25.60. Which is the correct answer? You have to think. Our question: in London Olympics, Bolt ran 100 meters in dash seconds. We have found 4 alternative answers: 9.60, 18.6, 22.6, 25.60. Which is the correct answer? 9.60. 9.60 is the correct answer. Note down on your khata, please. Our next question. In the text, the word cemented implies 1. Connected to page. 2. Strength. Completed. Now you get which is the correct answer. Which is the correct answer? You get strength. Is the correct answer. You note down on your khata, please. You note down on your khata, please. We have learned some vocabs and choose the best answer. Now I would like to give home tasks to you. Write summary of this passage. Write summary of this passage. Summary means gist. You will write 4 or 5 sentences of this passage. This is your home task. Now I have finished my class. I think you have enjoyed this class. You will get preparation about this topic and you will revise this and and make home touch. Thank you very much. Thank you all.